Can't you see? We got everything going on and on and on. Every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. Every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. To see, I can feel your body move. It doesn't mean that much to me. Yeah, I can't go on saying the same thing. Can't see we got everything, baby. Do you even know? Every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. Every time you go away, you take a piece of me. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million